Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to log in Roblox with QR code. So guys, in order for you to do this, just go to roblox.com/login, and then from here you can input your user or pass. And in order for us to use QR, just click use another device. And then from here we have option 1, which we can scan the QR in order for us to use the quick login feature, or we can have the code that we can use. And guys, if you are already logged in into your Roblox account, just like here, I'm gonna open the application. Just go to your settings, guys, down below the three dots on the right corner. And from here, guys, just scroll down to the very bottom and you will see here quick login. So from here, guys, you can enter the code to make a login. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.